TC Harold, time emi come, emi spolem, every something lo South Pentecost.
When he come, every house he go down.
Some lo mi vla some li try hard lo find em place lo lihat.
Emi ploem town Natangura, emi ploem town ol Kokonas, every wood he go town.
We will sleep and then it taboleno.
The people of South Pentecost faced a long list of challenges in the aftermath of tropical Cyclone Harold. But shelter was one of the most urgent needs. It was also one of the hardest needs for humanitarian responders to meet. As in most disasters, materials, shipping space, and available labor were in short supply. COVID-19 border closure made the usual challenge much worse. The solution is local. Care Vanuatu's response put localization into practice at every level and delivered real outcomes for people in one of the world's most remote places. Care harnessed what the people of Pentecost already had, traditional knowledge. The communities who recovered the fastest used this knowledge handed down by generations.
Alam walay prepare lo house, kate mo lip, putum lo house. Taum we cyclone come we pass. Ting we stop past time, emi katem Natangura come make house. Betam we mi belay wait le yuwela, by take long time, Natangura by iroten, ale mi belay no sabe make any something.
Plante time before after lo one disaster, la community so li depend plante lo response lo kafman. You mi try lo change mindset lo 1% inside lo community through lo trainings. Lo only save understand them say around lo communities plo kita ikatol local resources will save usum.
But coastal communities had been stripped of Natangura palm leaves, their traditional roofing materials.
Lo Pentecost so katol usum Natangura. Oli no sabe how plo usum coconut leaf. Pe mi flay lo tana mi flay kam plo lana mol kita how plo soma leaf coconut sol se mol katol istama kem Natangura tu. Mi flay sabe usum coconut hurry from time cyclone itamet same house. After every leaf coconut I full fall down finish. So mi sabe kem up.
Care distributed shelter kits containing hammers, saw nails, and other materials and trained local shelter focal points, SFPs, how to build back safer using the Vanuatu Shelter Cluster's recommendation. These SFPs are now responsible for supporting others in their communities to rebuild, now and for the future.
The time you rebuilding back all house. Ikat all web lo mabay mimekanya. Example lo sem bambay location bla house you must look put them house lo one place one safe place all foundation bla house. From advice we like karam lo time lo workshop. You dig him hole 1 meter ikota.
Connection all pressing you lay lanem lo workshop man amigam putum lo house.
Workshop ya mi aram se emi too much way emi kam lane mi bala lo some way by again where mi bala no sabe mi bala take him all ting ya come stop with him.
Access to timber was a critical gap in South Pentecost. Now people can process their own timber because Care provided chainsaws, fuel, spare parts and comprehensive trainings.
Okay, been provide them training lo chainsaw. Mo train ma pol chainsaw breeders lo oli ko pak lo community. After only work with them safe piece, with them all chief, lo only cut them all big log, lo make him become timber.
Women experience disasters differently to men, and their ideas about what the community needs are different too. House buildings is usually considered a man's job, but almost 40% of the trained SFPs are women. Now, women have a voice in the community decision-making about shelter.
You may want them sell woman got access to all trainings.
If no po min expect them so mi kam wan chenche opereta. Sabe was mi kola nianta mi kam tan mi wante se mas karmate bruan.
Community hemi recognize him also very important because na Emily hemi stop contribute ko pak lo community blehem lo supply him timber.
Challenge be mi vla fesem mi vla woman mi vla young so only no thing heavy lo mi vla so mi vla ka decision blo ask him chief place have a work with him mivla.
Emi one good fla opportunity blo mivla usum blo start blo talk make him gender work.
Mivla on chief mivla 18 mivla even sign him one letter blo ask him care blo emi stab blo I make him work blo site blo gender lo yumi lo South Pentecost.
Pentecost is building back better in so many ways. The key is local leadership.
Time you go inside one community, man place hemi kat way blehem hemi talk with them all chief, all community leaders. You man place, you got potential yeah, and it's really important say this is recognized.
Mi vilai no work one, mi vilai work together. Make him say work inside the community, hemi go good.
Selta activity lo South Pentecost now yeah, hemi lo train them up on community or one household lo make him say only feel resilient.
By help out the future throughout the workshop, mi vilai learn and plant something. One na mi vilai recipe, mi vilai should make him.
The future so she got one disaster hit mi vilai, be only call training blab. Mobile help them community.